everyone! Welcome to my channel right here, and I know you're a newcomer in here, but I wish that you'll hang around and stay because why not? It's so much fun in here. We talk about everything. We talk about everything. We talk about beauty, of course. We review makeup products. We talk about series and all the weird stuff there is to talk about. So I hope you do linger around in this space. So I will really be glad if you would stay for a while because I'm just alone in here. See, with my white background and yeah, so I'm alone in here. So please subscribe since you're in my channel anyway and you come across this. Subscribe. You know what? I'll wait. I'll wait for you. Now subscribe. I promise you it's gonna be a fun ride. Subscribe now. No. I'll wait. Have you subscribed yet? Great! And now ring that notification bell so you will be notified with all of the fun, the horror, and everything in this channel. Go ahead. You know what? Ring the button. And then we'll have fun.